What's up guys, welcome to part 3 of the build. It's going to be a shorter episode today, but we still get some stuff done. We're mounting our spoiler, lowering the car, as well as fixing some tie rods. So yeah, stay tuned. I don't know if we talked about these tie rods yet, but as you can see here, I finally hammered this one off, and can take it off now. The trick is you gotta count how many times you spin it off. So when you put the new one on, you could at least sort of align your car. So we're gonna take this one off. That was 17 spins. So I took the boot off, and this is what it looks like. Let me get a good angle without the boot. For some reason I thought that this part that we need to unscrew right here was all the way down there. So I bought one of these kits. Basically the way it works is one of these go on right here, and then you got this long stick right here that attaches, and you could screw it like that. But ours is bent anyway, so that wouldn't work. And on top of that, these are too small, so this kit doesn't do us any good. But luckily, the part that we need to unscrew is actually pretty accessible, so I'm gonna try to find something that I could use to twist it, and hopefully we can get it off soon. Finally got this off. Had to go and borrow some tools from my dad. Used some really husky wrenches, but I had to kick them, but they finally came off. Here's a comparison of how it's supposed to look like and how ours looks like. Yeah, that would cause the wheel to not be straight, all right? So yeah, now we just have to put the other one in, put this boot on nice and tight, and yeah, put everything together. Cue the time lapse. And there you have it. You compare this wheel, it's nice and straight. This wheel is nice and straight. So now we can finally drive in a straight line. It's Saturday morning, 8 a.m. and it's time to install these springs. My son seems like he wants to help out. Nope, okay, let's get started. Installed. Sorry, I didn't record it that much because, well, it was a very frustrating experience. Not because it was hard to do, but because I was missing a lot of the tools I needed. So I kind of had to go back and forth to some stores, and then I was still missing stuff, so made it really hard. But as you can see, the fender, the top fender gap is pretty much gone up here. We haven't done the rears yet, but that should be a little easier because you don't have to take off a strut or anything like that. But I have to leave soon. I got like 30 minutes to work, so meanwhile I'm going to try to mount the spoiler. And there we go. I know this is not everyone's favorite style, but I love it. So yeah, this is the GT350 style spoiler. It didn't go on perfectly. I'm gonna have to put some more screws through it later on, but right now it's at least standing on that 3M tape, and we don't plan on driving the car anytime soon, so it should be good for now. That's it for today's episode, guys. Decided to do a slightly shorter one so we could do more episodes and they won't be as long. But thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.